Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for confessions and I am using the sunset cut file. And what I am doing here is that I have this really sped up, but I wanted to cover and show you like what I am doing with the cut file this time to add something different to it. So what I decided to do was that I pulled the Shimmer's Paints Blingz. It's Spice Cinder. And a total disclosure, my voice is going out because my kids, I will get into that sooner or later here, my kids are making me lose my voice. Y'all, I don't lose my voice. Not teaching wise. So, but I started out with the Spice Cinder and I am doing the outside of the outside part of it, the sunset part of it. And then I do come in with my brayer and I color the little pieces, the sunset pieces. And it matches the photo that my husband sent me. Y'all, my husband sent me this photo that is very gorgeous as he was walking from DFAX, which is our chow house, when you're overseas or on any installation, to his barracks. And the sunset was actually really awesome in Kuwait because you don't see it all that often. Most of the time what you see in Kuwait is dirt and sand and more sand and dirt, what they call sand. It's like crazy. So the yellow I used is called Little Yellow School Bus, and then the blue I used is Heidi Ho Blue. And I did get out the black, but I don't think I used the black. Maybe I did. Oh, I know what I did. I used the black on the birds. And that one is Be Right Back. Obviously, these are all from Shimmer's Paints. Y'all know I love Shimmer's Paints. You know I love some shimmers. And so that's what that is. So here I am. I'm taking the colors. I'm spraying them on. I'm brayering them. And it gives me a different look. Now, if you want to use mixed media and have just a little bit of a difference, use cardstock, gesso, easy to paint, easy to brayer, give you all of these cool techniques, give you different vibes on it, and then glue them back down on a piece of paper, and you've got a mixed media background. That was super simple and easy. So I am using a piece of paper that was from Heidi Swap. I don't know, it was in my stash. And I felt that this whimsical color worked out wonderful for this. And let me tell you, this didn't want to stick down. It is so muggy here. It's like 100 and gazillion degrees. Josh and I laugh at each other because it is super hot where he's at. Because it's like 130 to 140 degrees. Pretty evenly and daily, to where I'm at, to where I feel like it's that degrees because of its pea soup out here, but we barely can hit, we're at 100 degrees, but the humidity is so bad. So I think during car riders, so this is my first week back at school, when I do this voiceover, yes, it's Thursday, this is going up on a Friday, welcome to back to school life. For this teacher, but I swear, I think I sweated out 10 pounds of sweat and whatever else you want to call it while I'm doing car rider line, because let me tell you, I'm outside and I have to I am hitting and ranging about 190 to 200 photos, which means that's how many parents, just me, and we have 2 lines that run. We're doing about 400 vehicles daily for car rider line right now. It's a mess. But y'all, it is what it is. This is part of life. This is part of being a teacher. But the kids are making me lose my voice. I've never seen so many kids not want to listen to any adult in my life. Now, every teacher, and teachers can definitely chime in on this, everybody has a different management style on teaching. How they run their classroom, how they run all of that. And my management style is kind of how we were when we grew up. You come into the classroom, you sit down and you shut up. You sit down and be quiet. And you only raise your voice. You only talk when you are spoken to. And these kids think it's okay to just get up, do whatever they want, roam whatever they want. Well, I knew this going into this first week of school, whose kids I had. And again, management styles is all on their own. Everybody's different, and you can take it as you want. But I literally told my classroom today, or the past week and a half, past week, that these kids, or that these kids are going to be able to learn what it is to stay in a seat. Oh, and then on top of it, I'm losing my voice. I've never lost my voice teaching, ever. Losing my voice. Ridiculous. Because I have never had to talk this much in my life. Never, ever, ever did I ever have to talk this much in my life. To tell kids to be quiet, please sit down. Why are you talking? Why are we discussing things? What is going on? Why are we doing this? So yeah. So anyway, I grabbed out my Close to My Heart Let's Wander collection. And that's what I did with the background. All the stickers and colors and all of that stuff. I used the rest, or as much as I could, of this, because I felt like, I know that we're not really camping, but it's outdoors. It fits the color tones. And plus, it's my husband. And my husband likes binoculars, axes, knives. So I figured, why the heck not? It's his photo. And so I am going to place, I'm going to get some glitter enamel dots that I'm going to place down on this, along with some black little, I don't know what you want to call them, spurts, to place that all on there. And then I'm just going in with these little X's, or whatever you want to call it. At first I was going to use my paint stick, but then I decided to wait on my paint stick and get these glitter dots down first, and then you'll see me come in with the other, and then I do round out with the paint stick, and then my layout is done. So make sure you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. The group and all that stuff will be linked down below, along with the cut file that I used, which is just Sunset, and it is absolutely gorgeous. She does free cut files, everything known to man. So make sure that you go check her out as well. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd love to have you as one of my YouTube family. You can definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It is free. And here I am. I'm just roaming around the corner because I wanted that black spots just to kind of show up on there. And this thing works awesome. So that is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.